You would put your password in and it would go, weak. Businesses would insist, we must have from you a capital letter. And we all momentarily considered our options before deciding to capitalize the first letter of our password. And businesses started saying, I'm afraid you cannot join unless you have at least one number. Less than half a microsecond's consideration before we collectively decided the number one. And businesses would say, we will also require a special character. And we perused them until all of our eyes stopped upon the exclamation mark.